I do want to make my move to using the M1 as my daily driver. Currently I have a 2018 MacBook Pro. As good as it is, I was really surprised with the performance of the M1 chip. Without wasting more time, let's start the unboxing. So Apple recently released the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. The one I have here is the MacBook Air. Okay, so right off the bat you have the same MacBook Air profile. On the left and the right you have the Apple logo. In the front here you have the word MacBook Air, and then you have a pull tab towards the right. You kind of just hold on to it and as easy as that. Just take this out, put this to one side, see what we get inside first. We've got designed by Apple in California. You have the wall charger, power brick, and then you have C to USB-C connection. So in the booklet you get the usual, but this time around you actually get silver Apple stickers. These look pretty cool. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's unwrap this. Hey, we have the chime back. Right off the bat, there is no difference between this MacBook Air and the previous generation MacBook Air. Basically, the body is the same. The internal guts have been replaced completely. If you're in the market to buy a new laptop, I highly recommend you go for this one. This is a fantastic little laptop. Previous generation one had a problem with overheating. Fair enough, it only has 2 USB-C ports and you've got a headphone jack here. If you got £1,000 to spend, then I highly recommend you go for this one. And if you're a student, you can pick this up for £899 in the UK, which is a fantastic offer by Apple. I'll do a full review by installing all my applications and running it for a couple of weeks and see how it performs. So Apple have been claiming that the Apple M1 chip boosts the CPU speeds up to 3 times faster, GPU speeds up to 5 times faster, and it's got the most advanced neural engine that's up to 9 times faster. It's got one of the longest battery life ever in a MacBook Air. It's the first chip designed specifically for a Mac, packed with 16 billion transistors. The Apple M1 system on a chip integrates the CPU, the GPU, the neural engine, I/O, and so much more into like a single tiny chip. That's why it can give such an incredible performance. The custom technologies and industry-leading power efficiency. The M1 chip currently has 8-core CPU and 8-core GPU, and that's the standard across both the MacBook Air and the MacBook Pro. The MacBook Air can have a maximum of 16 GB of super fast unified memory. This single pool of high bandwidth, low latency memory allows apps to share data between the CPU, GPU, and the neural engine efficiently. So everything you do is fast and fluid. Maximum SSD storage is limited to 2 TB, which is 2 times faster. Apple has still put the 720p HD camera. However, there is an image signal processor in the M1 chip that helps you look your best. Apple have updated the microphone as well. There's 3 microphone array. It's got the next generation of Wi-Fi, which is Wi-Fi 6. It's got Thunderbolt USB 4 connection. It charges, you can connect external monitor, you can do data transfer up to 40 gigabytes, and you can connect multiple devices through USB-C. And that is it, guys. This thing is amazing. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and share the video. Go check out my other videos as well, and hit the bell icon so you're notified when I upload a video. See you in a bit. Peace.